Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the new topic apostrophe. This apostrophe already you have learnt in the last video, isn't it? Yes. Here the apostrophe has two primary functions. First one to show possession of a noun. Next one to show the omission of letters. Here the omission of letters refers contraction form. Yes. Here you have learnt 5 rules in the apostrophe, isn't it? I will recall it again. Add apostrophe s to the singular form of the word, even if it ends in s. Here singular refers, that is one, opposite of plural. For example, I drive near the president's house every day. Here, whose house is this? President. Here, president, that refers singular or plural? Singular. So, it is possession. Whose house? President house. So, we are using apostrophe. Yes, president's house. Then, next example, I like James' car. Here, whose car is this? James. That is name of a person, that we call it as proper noun. This proper noun particularly ends with yes. That's why we are using James apostrophe s or James after apostrophe. No need to put s here. James apostrophe, that also refers apostrophe. Two kinds we can use it here. Next, add apostrophe to the end of plural nouns that end in s. Those plural nouns ends with s means you can use after s apostrophe. For example, these are my sister's dresses. Whose dresses these are? These are my sister's. Sister. What is the plural form of sister? Sisters. So here all this dress belongs to all these sisters. That's why we are using s after apostrophe. Same way, these are my friend's pencils. Here whose pencils these are? These are all my friends' pencils. Each one has a one pencil. That's why we are using s after apostrophe. Next one, add apostrophe s to the last noun to show joint possession of an object. Here, example, we are at Todd and Annie's apartment. Whose apartment these are? These are Todd and Annie. Both apartment refers. That's why we are using apostrophe s for next object. If it has two apartments means you can use Todd's apartment as well as Annie's apartment. You can use both apostrophe s for both nouns, but this apartment belongs to both. That's why we are using apostrophe s for second object. Got it, children? Is there any doubt? Here you should mention apostrophe should not be used with possessive pronouns because possessive pronouns already show possession. Do you know what are the possessive pronouns? His, hers, its, mine, yours, ours, theirs. These are possessive pronouns. For this possessive pronouns, you should not use apostrophe. That's why in the formal or informal letter, complimentary thing, you should not use apostrophe s. Yours lovingly, yours faithfully. We should not use apostrophe s because that is a possessive pronouns. Next rule, as a general rule, if the possessive pronoun is an inanimate object, not living, it is not a living thing. No casual agency means you need not use apostrophe. There are exceptions to this rule. For example, that is the door of the car. Here car, it is a living thing? No. It is non-living thing. It is a non-living thing. So, how should you write it means that is the car door. You should not write that is the car's door because this is an inanimate object. It is not a living thing. That's why we should not use apostrophe s here. In the example, notice that the car does not need a possessive apostrophe because it is an inanimate object. Same thing, another example, that is the house of David. Here David is the name of a person. No, that's why we are writing that is David's house. If it is a living thing, that's why we are using apostrophe. Yes, you are supposed to write an answers for these questions. This is the shoe of the girl. What is the answer? Can you tell me? Yeah, this is the girl's shoe. Here girl refers singular. That's why you are using this is the girl apostrophe yes shoe. Got it? Similarly, you have to write the remaining 4 answers. Next one, to show the omission of letters and to form contractions. Contractions mostly we follow it in the auxiliary verb. That means will, have, would, shall, should, can, could, all these things we are using contraction forms. First one, apostrophes are used to show any omission of letters in a word. You are omitting certain letters, isn't it? Yes. Next, apostrophes are also used to form contractions. What is meant by contraction? Yes, a contraction is a combination of 2 words which results in a single word. The apostrophe is used where letters have been omitted. Contractions are common in speaking and in informal writing. While speaking, contractions already it hides those words. But in writing, we should use apostrophe. Here are some examples of contractions. See, I. What is the be form verb am? I am means you can say I am. We are, you are, they are. Here, ye, that is omitted here. Instead of omitting, you are using apostrophe here. She is, I is omitted here. It is, it's. Here, I is omitted. Instead of that, we are using apostrophe. In the same cases, will also. I will, I'll, we'll, you will, they'll, he'll, she'll, it'll. Instead of wi, we are using apostrophe. Got it all, my children? Then negative contractions. Do not. Here instead of not, instead of wo, we omit it and use apostrophe. That is don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, is not, isn't, or not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. Herely, another examples are has, have, had, would, could, should. For this negative contractions, instead of wo, we omit it. Instead of that, you use apostrophe. Got it all, children? Yes. Shall we revise these examples? Use apostrophe in the following sentences to make contractions. Example, I am your friend. Yes, here what is the auxiliary verb here? Be verb am. So, instead of a, you are using apostrophe contracting. Contraction is here. I am your friend. I do not like vanilla ice cream. How will you write the sentence? I don't like vanilla ice cream. Don't, D-O-N apostrophe T. Don't like vanilla ice cream. Similarly, you can write another 4 examples. These examples are more than one apostrophe is given. Try to write the answers for those questions also. I hope, children, that you have all understood this apostrophe. I will be sending you this in worksheet format. Even you can take Xerox and write the answers for those questions. Thank you, children.